demonstrating the repair of the Jones fracture, a fifth metatarsal fracture of the foot. The Jones fracture takes place on the fifth metatarsal, a small tube-shaped bone located on the outside of the foot that connects to the little toe. The Jones fracture occurs in a small area of the fifth metatarsal near the mid-portion of the foot. The broken bones are held together by using a surgical screw. First, the surgeon makes an opening in the skin and inserts a smooth stainless steel pin through the base of the bone, just past the fracture line. The surgeon drills past the fracture site and avoids drilling the outer shell of the bone. The surgeon then taps to the desired length for placement of the surgical screw and measures the screw length. Lastly, the surgeon inserts the surgical screw through the base of the bone until it is fully inside the bone, holding the broken bones in place, completing the procedure.